Hi, I'm Mike from Walton Motorsport, and this is our top mount turbo kit for the B58 engine. So the B58 engine is BMW's currently latest generation 3-litre inline-six engine, heralded as a rival to the almighty 2JZ engine. For over 10 years at Walton Motorsport, we've been making exhaust manifolds for all the famous tunable engines, for example, the 2JZ. We've put all that knowledge to good use in our B58 kit, as you can see here. The core of our B58 kit is, of course, the manifold. This comprises of the usual components that we put into all of our manifolds. The collector, the cast collector that was designed in the UK. We have designed this collector so that it creates not only maximum flow, directing the exhaust gas into the turbine at the most efficient point, but also with a huge amount of priority for the wastegate, meaning you can control all of that boost with absolute ease. So another great feature of our manifolds is the transitions from the flange and of course the oval port into the round port are done over as long a distance as possible. This is to ensure the flow of gas is as smooth as possible. And of course it's made from the highest quality 304 stainless steel, TIG welded and back purged throughout. So this turbo kit is designed to support all the popular turbos from 900 horsepower-ish size up to 1600 horsepower. So in order to control all that power, we made use of the Turbo Smart's excellent straight gate, and we made our own bracket system here to hold the OEM actuator, and this allows you to use BMW's OEM boost control, making the installation and tuning of this kit far easier and far more accessible. Another large part of this kit is the huge 4-inch downpipe that we've made, which fits both left-hand and right-hand cars. We made this in 4-inch to ensure that you get the gas away from the turbine as quickly as possible, which allows you to spool turbo even faster, much faster than you can with the 3.5-inch downpipe, and it also keeps the heat and everything away from the engine bay. So that just about sums up our B58 kit. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout, either on email, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, homing pigeon, however you wish to. Someone will be here to answer your questions.